Yan. Yan yung ating... Okay, let's start. Nasa slide 4 agad. So, I believe ito yung iniwan ko sa inyo sasagutin. So, just dictate your answer sa bawat isa. Para we won't be spending too much time kung okay naman. So, in number 1, a point is on the unit circle and it's on the vertical side of the angle pi/6. What are the coordinates? Kaya may admit na ako. So it simply is cosine and sine of that given angle. You have what? Negative, not the correct writing tool. You have negative square root of 3/2 and this is in the second quadrant, so positive 1/2. You got this correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then the next one is cosine. Almost the same problem, but the angle is different.
Yes, sir.
Negative pi/2. So in this case, you will have 1/2. And of course, automatic yung partner niya, square root of 3/2 na lang. You have to make sure of the signs. In this case, it's positive square root of 3/2. You have this correct.
Yes. Yes.
Gawin natin siyang 1
Yes, sir.
point, 3 points, 4 points. Lagyan natin ang score, di ba? Para ano. Okay, next. We're given tangent and then we're asked to evaluate the expression. Important condition is that cosine is positive. If cosine is positive and tangent is negative, nasan yung angle, guys? Where do you think is the angle located?
Fourth quadrant, sir.
Fourth quadrant. And ano yung mismong angle, guys? It's hard to say. It's not a special angle, right? So, but if it's in the fourth quadrant, ang pinapa-evaluate naman ay yung ang pinapa-evaluate naman ay the expression second plus tan over second minus tan. Do you have an answer? Kasi wala akong sagot niyan. You know me. I'll answer it para masagot. Pero if you have an answer, tell me. Sinong maglalakas ng loob that can give that answer? I'm sure na sure. Rain, it's your moment to shine.
17.
Sige, let's see that. Pinakalki ko na as of this moment. Yeah, kinakalki ko na siya talaga. No? What I have is in decimal. Can you say again your answer dun sa numerical? Wow, ang ganda ng sagot ha. Tingnan natin ang bata. Sino yung parang transformer dyan? Kapag alam nyo you're causing an unusual sound, you turn off your, mute your microphone. Guys. Again, it's what? 17 minus
4 square root of 18.
all over
9.
over 9. Okay, I have my answer in decimal. So kapag tumugma to, that means you're correct. Yes, very good. So give this guys 2 points. So, 2 points lang siya. So 6 points na tayo. Next, If tangent is 3/5 and theta is in the third quadrant, what is secant? This is an easy one. Because 3/5 ay, hindi pala. Because y over x to, no? So, hindi siya maganda. So, do you have an answer? Tan of 3/5. Para na makita ng iba whether tama yung ginawa nila or alam ko yung iba hindi na naman nag-solve. Hindi na sinolve. Walang time. It's okay. Do you have an answer? Sino yung nakasumagot nito?
Negative 34. Square root of 34 over 5.
Over 5. Over 5?
Opo.
Commute mo na lahat. Ina natin kung sino yung causing that sound. Yan. Sige nga, turn it on again. Paano ba yan? Okay na yan. Let's see. The negative square root of 34 over 5 is correct. Yup, that's correct. Okay, so bigyan natin doon ng 2 points, guys. 2 points. So we are now 8 points in total. Next would be, special na siya.
Yeah.
Anong sagot dyan? This is a special value na. Because sign would be 1. Cosine must be negative square root of 3 over 2. And second must be negative 2 over square root of 3. And that is exactly negative 2 square root of 3. Tama ba? Over 3. Right?
Opposite.
This is just
Yes,
one
sir.
point. This is just 1 point kasi madali lang siya. So 9 points. So next, find the circular functions of theta if cotangent is, gawin natin 2 points na rin. Find the circular functions of theta if cotangent is negative 4/3 and sine is less than 0. Sige, ang kunin na natin yung tatlong, yung sikat, yung tangent, sine, and cosine. That will do. Okay? So, yung tatlong sikat. You know the reciprocals naman. Siyempre, pinakamadali doon, guys, tangent. It's simply the reciprocal of cotangent. Negative 3/4. And saktuhan yung values natin. This is y and x. And our angle is, cotangent is negative in 2 and 4. So we are in quadrant 4 because sine is negative. And sine is,
Negative 3 over 5.
Kung mali sa sulat ko, I am about to write 4. Unahan ako ni Jody. Wow, nag-recite si Jody. So cosine is equal to a positive 4/5 because we are in the fourth quadrant. So guys, sa mga nagsagot, if this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, tapos you are correct with this, with the remaining of, obviously, cosecant is negative 5/3, secant is 5 over 4, and this 1 point each, 15 points in total, right? So yeah, have you answered them correctly lahat? Is that? So what's your, narinig ko si Nash, mahina, 12 daw siya, 12. Tama ba Nash, or 12? Yeah. So just para lang parang normal na klase na meron tayong course. Okay? Walang private chat dito pero when chat your score, si Tom talagang siya, 6 over 15. And then pagkatapos niyang i-comment yon, he left the meeting. So yun, anyway. Okay, so our topic for today is the continuation of this. After the special angle, the trigonometric circular function values of any point, the trigonometric values of a special angle, we go to the identities. So yun na yung identities. Now, di ba, sa unit pa lang, na-establish na natin to. Cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. Ito yung pinakasimula ng lahat. Siya yung simulang-simula. And then the quotient identities, we have shown from the definition that tangent is sine over cosine. We have shown from the kasi tangent is sa definition ay y over x. Ang sine y over r. Ang cosine x over r. Notice that r cancels out if you do y over x. Kaya it's sine over cosine. Same thing with cotangent because you know it's reciprocal. So cosine over sine. So these are the quotient identities. And then the reciprocals. You know the reciprocals. You can actually recite them already, guys, right? What is the reciprocal of sine? Cosecant. Reciprocal of cosine.
Second.
Second.
And
Second.
tangent.
Cotangent.
Okay. We will define other identities then. Pero we have to start with this mother identity. Cos squared plus sine squared. One of the first Pythagorean identities, no? Pythagorean. Actually, it's not Pythagorean. Ano dapat? Before, you heard it from me? Jules? Ano ang pronunciation dapat dyan?
Pythagorean.
Right! Ang galing. Yun. Pythagorean. Now, we have this. From this, makukuha natin yung dalawa pang identity. Just remember, kahit ako, napagbabaliktad ko sila eh. Pero, just do this. Divide by cos squared. Divide by cos squared. Divide by cos squared. So you know it's still equal because you're dividing it by the same term. What's this? What is the result when you divide?
1.
So
Isa
that's
lang.
1.
and what is sine squared over cosine squared?
Tangent. Tangent squared.
And what is 1 over cosine? That is
Second.
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 So this is the second. Now, ayan na naman yung transformer sound. Yung divide naman natin ng sine squared. Ayan lang naman yung paano para hindi nyo makalimutan to. Kasi kahit ako guys, nakakalimutan ko to. Sabi ko, ano ba yung 1 plus tan squared ba? 1 plus secant squared? Lagi ko iniisip. And just go back to that mother identity. What is cos squared over sine squared? This will give us our third one.
Cotangent squared.
Unahin natin isulat. What is sine squared over sine squared?
1.
Unahin natin siya. Ayan. Cot squared. There. And then of course, 1 over sine squared is
Cosecant squared.
Cosecant.
Cosecant squared.
Cosecant.
So these are the three, what do you call it? Pythagorean identities. Sabi nga ni Jules, ikaw na continue.
Pythagorean identities.
Yes, Pythagorean identities. No, guys? Have you ever wondered why sine and then cosine? Bakit gano'n? But ito sine, tapos ito cosine. No? It's actually like this. From our definition of the trigo function, having you have y here, you have x here, you have r here. O kaya, gawin natin in the more familiar terms with you, gawin natin siyang hypotenuse. Okay? Gawin natin siyang A na lang to, gawin natin siyang B. Right? Ganun. Or C na nga lang to, C, para pare-parehas. A, B, C. Let's have this as our angle. No? From your mnemonic na, mnemonic na yan. Yan. Yung SOHCAHTOA, di ba? Sine, opposite, over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent, over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite, over adjacent. Now, what is sine of theta? What is sine of theta? So, ito yung theta. Yung opposite niya must be this side. So, tell me guys. A over
A over C.
C, the hypotenuse. What about cosine of theta?
B over C.
B over C.
Adjacent side over C. So, from our right triangle trigonometry, very easy to set up. Now, let's have another angle, alpha. Tell me what is sine of alpha. Sino naman yung side na opposite ng angle alpha?
B.
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 Si B. So, that would be B.
A over C.
over the hypotenuse. And what is cosine of alpha?
A over C.
Adjacent A over C. Now, notice, ang laki-laki na sulat ko, A over C yan, A over C yan. It follows that sine theta equals cosine of alpha. And the other two, cosine and sine, parehas silang B over C. It follows that sine alpha equals cosine of theta. So, baligtaran. Now, knowing that this is a 90-degree angle, what can you say about alpha plus theta? What can you say about alpha plus theta, guys? What's the sum of the angles?
90 degrees.
90.
So now you know what this co means. Ano ba yung co na yan? Yung abbreviation for this characteristic of two angles.
Complement.
It's an abbreviation for complementary. Co. Or complementary function or cosine. Awa ba yan? So, anong implication nun, guys? Magamit na gamit to sa future. Means, cosine of 30 is equal to sine of 60. You know it. Ang sine of 60 is square root of 3 over 2. Ang cosine ng 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Right? Mas sikat nga pala, dapat inuna ko to, sine 30 equals cosine of 60. Sine 30 is 1/2. Cos 60 is what? 1/2 din. Tama ba, guys? Kahit i-calculator niya, ito calculator niya para lang ma-verify. Cosine of 42 degrees is the same as sine of 48 degrees. Okay? Co-functions. Because 42 and 48 are complementary. Can you do that if you have a calculator? Ayan, si Jules. May hawak na calculator. Tama ba, Jules? Ayan, pinakita ni Jules sa cam niya. Cos 42 is sine 42. Oh, guys, quick response question. Ayan na, pag narinig niyo yung quick response questions, you know, these are questions na pang moving test. Di ba? Cosine of 2x minus 1 equals sine of 49 degrees. What is x? Jules, moving test, go. 10 seconds, moving test.
It's 90.
21.
Equal to 21.
21. 21.
21 ba?
21.
25.
Ba't parang iba-iba? 42 divided by 2, right?
20.
Ay, Joe.
21.
Parang ano, no? Parang sinabi ko lang moving test, ang madali. This equation is true. This equation is true always. The 2x minus 1 plus 49 adds up to
20.
9. So 2x plus 48 is equal to 19. We have 2x is 42. What is that, guys?
20.
21 degrees. Is that clear? The whole function concept? Okay. How many got this correct ng mabilis? Jules. Jules is the man. Okay. Ano pa, guys? Aside from co-functions, ano pa yung mga identities natin? Wala muna. Basic identities pala muna tayo. Saka na yung mga formula. So let's have this example. I believe binigay ko rin sa inyo to last time. Binigay ko rin ba sa inyo to last time? Hindi.
Parang pinakita lang.
Pinakita ko lang. Sabi ko, continue ko. Tama ba? Okay. So these are basic. Ito na yung, yung proving the identities using what we have so far. Yung basic Pythagorean, quotient, reciprocal identities. Balikan natin yan. Dito tayo sa, hindi. Yan muna pala. Para basic muna yung dating. Okay. What do you want me to answer muna? So, yung una. Sige, yung una. Yung una. Okay, guys, look. Cotangent over cotangent minus cos over equals 1 over 1 minus sine. The rule, unwritten rule in this topic na proving the identities is that bawal mag-cross multiply. Okay? What you can do is manipulate one side, try to make it look like the other side. Okay? Or you can even do both sides and try to make them look the same. Okay? Ako ba yan? And syempre, parang hint na yan that you will manipulate whatever side is looks more complicated. So basically, when you have a side that is in terms of sine and cosine already, okay na siya. Like look at the right side. Ayos na yan. Wala ka na magagawa pa dyan. Kasi sine na yan. But look at this side, the left side, yan ang pwede nating galawin. Because you can do something about cotangent. Meaning, you can write it as cosine over sine. Ano ka simple? Cotangent, you can write it as cosine over sine. And then, minus cosine. Yan. And just manipulate, guys. Mamanipulate lang natin. Copy lang yung mga hindi gagalawin, like this. Kinokopya ko lang yung taas. Yung denominator, I can combine. What's the LCD of this? What's the LCD? Sine, right? So, sine divided by sine is 1 times cosine. So, copy. Cosine. Minus sine divided by 1 times cosine. It's cosine, sine. Follow that? Multiply lang, right? Now, you see that this is a fraction, and both of them have the same denominator, so the denominator simply cancels out. So what you have is a fraction na lang na cosine over cosine minus cosine sine. Ayan. Kaya ito yung inuna ko dahil ito yung pinaka-simple. Notice that in the denominator, you can do some factoring. So you can factor out. What's the common in the denominator? So if you do that, now becomes 1 minus sine. And maka-cancel. So you will get this 1 over 1 minus sine, which is the right side. So the proof is complete. Pag napakita mo that one side is equal to the other side. Okay? So basic rules in our proving identities. Try yung second one, madali lang din, wag na yan. Ito na lang. Para kasi may pin-repair akong bago, mas maganda yun. Ayan. So this one for practice, I'll go. I'll give you some time. 3 minutes. Maksay people. Pag maksay, 3 minutes. So while the rest of you are answering, I will look at the people in here and tingnan ko kung naka-video. Si Griza, hindi pa din naka-video.
Papakita na sa...
Papakita ka na, Riza. Hindi naman eh.
Atat. Ay, ayaw. Ayun. Hi, sir.
Bagong hair. Si Corinne. Corinne, video nga.
Madilim na nga dito, sir.
Max, avatar lang si Max. Ayun, no, kasama po kapatid eh. Ay, wala na pala. Hindi nakatabi. Alphabetical pala ang list. Wow, si Matt Lord nandito pala. Matt Lord. Mag-video ka, Matt Lord. Matt Lord, turn your video on. You know who you are. Ayaw mo, Matt Lord. Eunice,
Hi, sir.
video. Yan, wag KJ. Ganyan lang. Ayan, nakabid si Eunice. Ay, Jules, may naalala si Jules. Sorry, Jules.
Napsnet.
Na-distract si Jules.
Weather.
Rutherford Days yan eh. Rutherford Days.
Napagnet.
Wala po.
May nagsabi ba kay IC? Ba't di alam ni IC? Hindi pa siya mate kay ever. Baka nahiya kay Jules. Daming di umate nahiya kay Jules.
QED.
Lakas naman pala. Magandang simula dyan. O yung hindi simula ni Jules. Yun, meron na akong gustong simula na malamang hindi ito yung ginawa ni Jules. Okay na guys, are you done? Are you done guys? O sige, yan. Yan yung kahalagahan ng you have your videos on. I can see that you're not yet finished. You're still writing. Mga ganon. Sige, those who are not yet done, here you go ahead. Dami nating time. We have until August 24 to do this. Yun nga lang, dalawa na lang schedule every week. Kasi yung batch ni Bly. Ayan na, iyak na.
Di pa nga ako tapos eh.
Ayun nga pala, I remember guys. I remember. Ang trigo ko, Rutherford. Tama ba, Jules? Di ba, no? Ayun, trigo ko nun, right?
Yes, sir.
Oo, trigo. Rutherford and kayo lang, di ba? Meron pa ba? Isang section lang.
Yes, sir. Solo.
Ay. Tempted na naman si Jules. Bakit si Jules ang accepted? Ano ba double ka na?
Nakuha ko na yung sin x eh. Yung tan x, ano nakuha ko? Cotangent.
Di mali. Wayne,
Yes, sir.
tapos na.
Yes, sir. Tapos na.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong.
Sorry na, sir.
Okay guys, let's answer this. Marami pa tayo naka-line up. Okay, so I'll start. Sana hindi ito yung ginawa ni Jules. Pero tingin ko ito ginawa ni Jules eh. Kasi Trigo teacher niya ako noong grade 9. Look at this guys. Tan squared plus 1. 1 plus tan squared. Diba that's one of the Pythagorean identities? That's second. 1 plus tan squared, right? O, yan ang magiging start ko. So, I can write 1 plus tan squared into second squared.
Second square.
Ganyan ba ginawa mo, Jules?
Yes, sir.
To those na hindi natapos, baka ang ginawa nyo, nag-sine squared over cosine squared, 1 over cosine, sine over cosine, cosine over sine.
Nakukuha pa rin ko, sir, doon. Kahit
It's okay, guys. It's okay. Because you know it's correct. Sine squared over cosine squared, tama naman yun. Tan squared naman yun. Second is 1 over cosine, tama naman yun. So if you're doing it correctly, okay lang yun. It's correct. Yun nga lang, there are some solutions na magiging mas mabilis. Now, look at tangent. I'll write it as sine over cosine. Yan na yung usual. Kasi wala nang ibang identities eh, no? Yun lang nakita ko agad. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Right, guys? Now, numerator, dito ko lagay sa taas para may space. Numerator, I can factor out. Ano yung pwede kong factor out dyan, guys? What's the common? Sec squared plus sec.
Factor.
O nga, ano yung common out?
Second squared plus second squared. Second x plus 1.
Lokoy mo naman ako, Jules eh.
Then,
Pinapactor ko lang to.
yan ka, sir. Second x. Tapos,
Quantity. Hindi ko narinig yung quantity. Now, denominator, we can combine. So, the LCD is the product of the denominators. So, what is cosine? Sine divided by cosine times sine
uy, 1.
becomes sine squared, right? Plus cos x sine x divided by sine x cos x times that. That will become cos squared, right? Now, rewrite natin and at the same time simplify what we can. Yes, we simplify what we can. Second is 1 over cosine. Second inside is also 1 over cosine. Plus 1. Sine squared plus cosine squared, yun na yung 1. And then the denominator is cos x sine x. Now guys, I'm running out of space. I want you to look at this fraction bar, main fraction bar na rin. Nakita ba yung main fraction bar? What do we do with the denominator? So divide by this fraction, right? So anong gagawin natin sa denominator? Change it to, just follow me guys, change it to the operation of multiplication. Pero dapat ano yung multiply natin? Cosine x sine x over 1. The reciprocal. You're following it guys? Say something guys. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Cancel, cancel.
Sir.
Ano, it's time
Yes,
to
sir.
it's time to distribute. Just distribute. Sine times 1 over cosine. Sine over cosine, which is tan. Sine x times 1 plus sine equals the right side. Sabi nga ni Jules, QED. Ano ibig sabihin ng QED, Jules?
Nakikita ko lang sa, sa bad maths that gives the right answer.
Oh, ikaw rin. Ikaw alam mo ibig sabihin ng QED.
Ano, sir?
Ha?
Ano, sir?
Ano ibig sabihin ng QED?
Ano, sir? Latin ata. Quod erat demonstradum.
Facts. QED. Means proof that. Parang tapos na. Parang yun lang yung Oh, guys. This one. Oh, another one. Practice. Kita nyo, malapit na yung slide natin. Then we can continue na lang kapag next time. You have to try. Hindi pwedeng papanoorin nyo lang ako. Kapag papanoorin nyo lang ako, madali. Kasi ginagawa ko. Si Jules. Jules?
Sir.
What?
Umalis si sir.
Hala.
Ingat, sir.
Yay!
Nangyari.
Hi, sir.
Kaya na tayo.
Hi, Dara.
Nangyari.
Net bag net. Net.
Dara.
Hi,
Teka na,
movie.
kuya.
Sino mag-a-admit kay sir?
Net, mamatay ka.
Uutot namin.
O, yun na yun.
Leona Ronald season. Ay, gago.
Dara, ano ba?
So, Hot job.
Sino tapos na? QED na raw. Blay, tapos ka na, Blay? Hindi. Okay. Kasi papakita ko yung dapat na simula. Kung hindi ito yung simula, you cannot prove this. Ay ikot-ikot ka lang. So look, no, I'll write the correct starting step.
Conjugate answer.
Yes.
Mata. Ano?
Look at the start. Ito ang simula. Left side, obviously, ang mamanipulate natin. So as you can see, what I'm multiplying is numerator over denominator, the same thing. So I'm multiplying the everything by 1. Okay lang. But look, bakit ganyan? Kasi I'm getting the, sabi nga ni Jules, yung conjugate nung ilalim. If it's a minus here, I made it a plus. Yan yung start. Okay? Okay ba? So game. So solve it with me na. Kung yan yung start nyo, very good. You're getting there. Hindi lang natapos. If hindi ito yung start nyo, then you're going nowhere. Let's start, guys. Now, look at the numerator. The numerator is like you're multiplying the same, you're multiplying it to itself. Right? So, meaning the square of the trinomial. Square of 1 plus sine u plus cosine u. Anong shortcut ng square ng trinomial? I'm talking about special products, guys. Ano yung a plus b plus c? Squared? I'll recite na lang. Sige, can someone recite? Yung nakakaalam.
2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC.
Yan, galing ni Jules. Ulitin mo, Jules. Ulitin mo. Dahan-dahan. Game?
A squared
F.
plus B squared
Yun.
plus C squared
Yun.
plus 2AB
Twice.
plus 2AC
Twice.
plus 2BC.
And twice. Let's do that sa given natin na trigo. So 1 plus sine squared plus cosine squared plus twice na to plus twice nun, sabi ni Jules, AC, plus twice nitong dalawa. So, yan yung taas. Yung ilalim naman, guys, look at the denominator. I wrote it, may quantity minus, and then may quantity plus. So, it's simply, the product is simply the square of the difference. Baliktad, the difference of the two squares. Right? So, can you dictate kung ano yung magiging square minus square? Sino? Oh, good. So, squared. Tama na ito. Minus. Yeah. O, yun ang gawin natin. Sabi ni Nathan, square this minus the square of this. So, square ko na to. Diretso ko na. 1 plus 2 sine u plus sine u squared or sine squared u. Yan. Then minus cos squared u. Following me, guys? And we simplify. Unang-una, what can you say about sine u, sine squared u plus cos squared u? Yan o. What can you say about this?
1.
1.
1.
I'm running out of space. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, buburahin ko, no? Bura-bura na lang ako. So, guys, you follow. So, ito magiging 1. Ang liit ng pambura ko. Ito magiging 1. Yan, magiging 1 yan. Sine squared plus 1. And what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1? Magiging ano yan? 2. Si Jose. 2. Now, look. Di naging ganyan na. Everything in the numerator is being doubled. So, we can actually factor out 2, guys, right? Factor out natin yung 2. Ang mangyari? Pag pinactor out yung 2,
2 times 1 plus sine u plus
1 na lang to.
1 plus sine
So,
u.
mawawala na yung to, magiging mawawala. Yan yung 2, mawawala. Mawawala yung 2, mawawala yung 2. So, what we have is this. Okay? Now, guys, let's go to the denominator, guys. Yung 1 naman na to, 1, di ba? May 1 dyan na I erased it. But, isusulat ko siya na sine squared plus cosine squared. Nasunod. Di ang mangyari is this. Numerator will have to be 2, quantity 1 plus sine u plus cos u plus sine u cos u. Denominator ay magiging cancel out to sine squared u, sine squared u. And what's that?
2 sine squared u.
2 sine squared u. And factor out ko na rin yun. Magiging sine u plus sine squared.
Plus sine squared u.
Nasusundan ba, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, actually, kulang yung factoring ko. No? Dapat pinactor out ko na rin yung sine u. But let's do it in the next page. Yan. So, look at that. Buburahin ko na to. No, nandyan siya. I'll erase a part of our solution. Honestly, guys, di ko alam kung papunta na ako sa tamang sagot, no? Kasi that's the way of proving, no? You just have to transform it. And sana maging katulad na nun. At least you're doing something. The 2 cancels out, so I won't write it anymore. Pero ang mangyari, numerator is 1 plus sine u plus, gugroup kong ganyan. Notice here, meron common. Ano yung common dyan?
Cos u.
And then may common. Factoring out, maging ganyan. You following it, guys? And then denominator
Yes, sir.
is sine u, factor out sine u. What will happen here? 1
1
sine.
plus sine u.
Nasusundan ba, guys? Now, what will happen when you divide this? Okay, ma-mark ko lang in blue. Ano, hindi blue, white. Look at this. What will happen when I divide this? Anong mangyayari? Guys, ano mangyayari dyan?
1 over sine u.
1 over sine u.
1 over sine u.
And pag dinivide ko naman to,
Cos u.
ano mangyayari? Cos u over
Cos
sine.
u. Sine u.
Over sine u.
And finalize your answer. Denominator is sine u. Numerator is 1 plus cos. You following it, guys?
ED.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And that's equal to the right.
Yes, sir.
How many were able to prove this one? So again, it has something to do with the correct starting step. Kung hindi yun, ikot-ikot. Now guys, we are inside nearing an hour mark. So hindi naman natin kailangan madaliin ang ating sessions. Remember, hanggang August 24 to, we're running. You know, inalat ko sa naging schedule niyo, I'll announce it. Ang schedule na ay Tuesday and Friday.
Friday.
Yun ang schedule ng Trigo Refresher. Ang schedule ng Monday and Thursday, yun naman ay Calculus. So if you want to join that class, you're welcome. And then may bagong slot, kaya naging dalawa na lang. Yung schedule naman nila Bly, which is Bly, ano yun sa inyo? Wednesday and Saturday. So that batch
Yes,
naman,
sir. Wednesday, Saturday.
yes, yung batch naman nila, they requested for college entrance test preparation. So meaning questions for sets or CETs. Sa inyo, Trigo, sa batch ng outgoing class, Advanced Calculus, Scalably, College Entrance Test questions. You're welcome to join every session. Kung para gusto nyo, Monday to Saturday kayo mag-klase sa akin, no problem. Oh, di ba guys? Now, alam ko yung nasa Discord naman yung, right, Jody? Nasa Discord na rin yung outgoing college.
Yes, sir.
And Bly and coordinate with Jody para nasa Discord na rin yung batch.
Sir, mod na siya.
Meron na rin, Jody?
Yeah.
Okay, so,
A-add ko na lang yung sa amin.
so para hindi mag-iwan lang ako ng, hindi, wala na pala, ubos na pala, yun lang yung pin-repair ko talaga ngayon. So tatago ko lang yung questions ko para on the spot yung sagutin. No? Mas maganda yung ganun. So we will continue next meeting natin, which is Tuesday next week, right? Sa Trigo Refresher. We are already on our third session ng Trigonometry Refresher. Right, guys? See you
Yes,
next
sir.
week. That's it, guys. Thank you, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.